down the track, nice and slow, but wait, what's that I hear? A monkey giggling loud and clear. All aboard the giggle train, laughing loud in sun or rain. Ho ho, ha ha, hee hee hoo, hop on board, we're waiting for you. Next stop, a jungle bright, an elephant laughs with all his might. A deep ho-ho that shakes the ground with a belly laugh, big and round. All aboard the giggle train, laughing loud in sun or rain. Ho ho, ha ha, hee hee hoo, hop on board, we're waiting for you. Tickle, tickle, hee hee hee, giggly wiggly, ho ho ho, shake and wiggle, hee ha hoo. Clap your hands and laugh out loud. A little duck says quack, quack, quack with a funny giggle flapping back. A bear goes ha ha, low and deep. He laughs so hard he falls asleep. All aboard the giggle train, laughing loud in sun or rain. Ho ho, ha ha, hee hee hoo, hop on board, we're waiting for you. Choo-choo, here we go. Giggles echo as we slow till the train stops at the station, full of joy and celebration.
The dog's in Meow and wagged his tail. The cat's in Woof on the garden trail. The chicken's clucked, that's not quite right. Let's try again with all our might. Silly sounds, flip and flop, animal noises that just won't stop. Laugh and giggle, dance around. Can you guess the proper sound? Sorry, the cow said quack and splashed in the pond. The duck said moo, of which he was fond. The pins all squealed, you're being weird. That's the silliest thing we've ever heard. Silly sounds, flip and flop, animal noises that just won't stop. Laugh and giggle, dance around. Can you guess the proper sound? The horse said Ribbit with a big jump high. Dope, the frog neighed loud as he leaped to the sky. The sheep all said, oh goodness me, that's not how it's supposed to be. The dog said woof, and the cat said meow. The duck said quack, they got it now. The cow gave a moo and the frog gave a ribbit. The animals cheered, we finally did it. No more silly sounds today, we learned them right the proper way. But silly sounds are fun to do, let's make them up with me and you. Making that a slipping deck under the trees, slithering left, slithering right, making a sound in the pale moonlight. Background growls so deep and loud, who could it be in the forest crowd? Big and strong with furry paws, a mighty bear with giant claws. Who's making that sound? Listen and see. Is it up in the sky or behind that tree? It's the noise, clap along, sing it loud, let's play along. Honk honk, what's waddling here? A penguin slides with a happy cheer, flapping wings, dancing feet, wiggling to the frozen beat. Winnie winnie clip clop, hooray! A striped zebra trots all day, running fast, tail held high, a happy neigh under the sky. Making that sound, listen and see. Is it up in the sky or behind that tree? It's the noise, clap along, sing it loud, let's play along. Honk honk, walk way up high, a parrot laughs as it flies by. Roar, roar, what a fright, a lion roars with all its might. Making that sound, now we know. All our animal friends put on a show. Listen close, stop and play, sing it loud, hooray, hooray! Let's growl, honk and neigh.
Here comes a puppy, small and sweet, wagging his tail and tapping his feet. He jumps up high, spins around, then it wiggles his belly down to the ground. Shake, floppy ears go flippity flake. Hop, hop, turn race and play, running in circles every day. Sniff the ground, bark out loud, then wag your tail and make us proud. Do the globby dance, wiggle, wiggle, shake, shake, shake. Floppy ears go flippity flake. Hop up, turn around, do the puppy wiggle all over town. Pat your nose, roll on the floor, wag your tail just a little more. Chase your tail, run in place, put a big puppy smile on your face. Do the globby dance, wiggle, wiggle, shake, shake, shake. Floppy ears go flippity flake.